Welcome to this week's edition of Endocrinology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. The University of North Carolina has joined the Phase 3 CAT-1 trial evaluating cadisegliatin, a novel, oral, liver-selective glucokinase activator for adults with type 1 diabetes. This drug is designed to improve glycemia while minimizing the risks of hypoglycemia and ketoacidosis. The trial will enroll 150 patients across 25 U.S. sites. In a significant regulatory move, the FDA has notified manufacturers of unapproved animal-derived thyroid products that enforcement action is forthcoming. Patients using these products will have up to 12 months to transition to approved alternatives. The agency also aims to formally approve desiccated thyroid extract to ensure long-term access. In the UK, the MHRA has approved Teplizumab, the first immunotherapy shown to delay the onset of stage 3 type 1 diabetes by approximately 3 years in at-risk individuals. Experts are now calling for a national screening program to ensure early identification and equitable access. On the technology front, researchers have developed AI models that can accurately predict insulin resistance using only fasting glucose and basic physical metrics such as waist circumference and BMI. The METS-IR model achieved an AUC greater than 0.97, with external validation confirming its reliability. This could pave the way for accessible, at-home screening for non-diabetics. In Canada, Health Canada has approved Ozempic for reducing the progression of kidney disease in patients with type 2 diabetes. Findings from the FLOW trial show a 24% reduction in the risk of kidney deterioration or failure, with additional benefits for cardiovascular mortality. Meanwhile, researchers at the University of Virginia are advocating for the development of a fully automated artificial pancreas. Current automated insulin delivery systems still require manual inputs, but new trials aim to close the loop entirely using AI-driven dual hormone solutions. For women with polycystic ovary syndrome, prenatal use of metformin has shown mixed outcomes. While the drug reduced viral infections during pregnancy, long-term follow-up reveals an increased risk of allergy and eczema in offspring. Experts emphasize the need for more data to balance maternal and child health outcomes. Sanofi has entered Phase 2A testing with SAR 442970, a dual anti-TNF-alpha, an anti-OX40L nanobody designed to preserve beta cell function in newly diagnosed type 1 diabetes patients. The study employs a 3-to-1 randomization and quadruple masking design, spanning multiple clinical centers. New data also shows that wearables could help childhood cancer survivors mitigate their elevated risk of diabetes. By continuously monitoring glucose and activity levels, these devices could enable early intervention and personalized care for survivors facing metabolic disruption. Finally, a study of more than 4,400 patients has identified postoperative thyroglobulin antibody levels as a powerful predictor of papillary thyroid cancer recurrence. Patients with thyroglobulin antibody levels exceeding 440 international units per milliliter were found to have 6 times higher odds of relapse. This biomarker may soon influence long-term follow-up and adjuvant treatment strategies. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.